Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So today's agenda, we're going to talk about our setup, our DTF Epson P600 DTF setup. What basically want to tell you guys about our setup is our daily maintenance, how well it's been doing for us, and how we have it set up today. We have this computer here hooked up to a different monitor. Our inks, the type of ink we use, our branded ink, by the way. We will have our website live soon, so stay tuned for that. Basically, want to talk to you guys about how we set up our printers and how we do their daily maintenance. So this will be part 2 of our first part 1 video. So to start with our end of the day process is we turn off the printers. We do a cleaning cycle using the Epson adjusting program, a weak cleaning or a medium cleaning. We basically turn off the printers, turn it off. I'll show you guys how everything is processed. Once the printer is turned off, we use our Phillips screwdriver to go on our little screw hole to turn the capping stations down and the head can be moved. I'll show you guys how to do that now. The first step is turning the Phillips screwdriver to the left until you feel and hear a click. Then the head moves over just like that, and now you have access to the capping station. The way we have our printer set up is in the open area of space. You get the wiper blade up. We use cleaning rags to do cleaning on the wiper blade and capping station. So this is at the end of the day process. Cleaning the wiper blade is very, very important, and wet capping the capping station for the head is very important. This has to be done in order to get great results every time. So once the capping station and the wiper blade is clean, we want to make sure the wiper blade goes back down to right about there. Make sure this does not go back up. Then we put our solution in here. We fill it up. It's okay if it gets mixed. Have not had any issues whatsoever. We go to the front of with the print head to the capping station. Now all you have to do is turn to the left completely. You'll feel, just keep turning. This will allow the printer's head with the capping station to basically sit and moist the head. And for the next day production, we get perfect nozzle checks every single time. This specific printer here, this P600, has done me much better than this one. I have this set up a little bit different with this here. I think it does not allow us to throw in fresh set of ink unless we shake it every time. And I'll show you guys over here how we have this set up. I don't have that little tank. It's just very simple onto this over here. So both printers are running off this white ink with these type of hoses to all the ink dampers with our ink cartridges right over here. It has been a great setup. We have done perfect prints every single time. I'll show you some of the prints that we've done. This is a job of 21 shirts you gotta do for a customer. It does amazing. This is a hot peel. We also do cold peel. So you guys can see the setup, how it gets done. And this is the end of the day process. I hope you guys liked this quick tutorial on how to do the end of the day maintenance. Again, this is part 2 of the video. I have a few modifications. Instead of the actual ink cartridge connector, I have this button here that we click on. We have the firmless system installed on it with the ink cartridges on the back side. The ink cartridge setup, I have the ink cartridges still hooked up back here, so you guys can see that. You guys can see it a little bit better on this side. I ran the whole entire thing back here with the chips. It's still installed. And the setup with the dampers have been so much better than anything I have ever done so far with the DTF printing. I have other DTF printers, but this is by far the best setup I have came across. I've been doing a lot of research for a few months and have not had anything fail. And I'm very happy, very pleased. It is amazing. You can see one of my shirts here, FADEAWAY, our brand. It is amazing. Very beautiful colors. This has been washed a few times already. Great results. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, let us know what you like. See ya.